to the world of joyful learning.
Namaste everyone. Dear children, very good morning. I hope everyone is fit and fine. Welcome to today's EVS class. Before starting the class, first let's sanitize our hands. Now we are done. Our hands are all clean. Now let's see. I am sweating. I have sweat all over my face. And I am feeling very hot today. Are you sweating? Are you feeling hot? Yes, because it is summer time. Now today we are going to talk about summer season. Let's discuss about summer season. Summer is the very hottest season in the year, which starts after Holi and the month of March and extend the month of May or June. Do you know, kids? Summer season comes after winter season. The weather during the season of very hot. In the summer season, days are longer and the night are shorter. We feel very hot in summer season. The weather is generally hot and sweating. But it is the most loved season as we have summer holidays. Yes, kids, now let's see what do we wear in summer season. We wear light colored cotton cloths in summer season. We also wear hat to protecting scorching heat. We also wear sunglasses when we go outside. Fan, air cooler, air conditioner, very much needed in summer season. We can't live without these things in summer time. Now kids, let's talk about fruits and beverages of summer season. What are summer fruit? Pineapple, mango, very yummy and tasty. Muskmelon, watermelon, that is my favorite fruit. Let's see what are summer beverages. Now kids, let's see summer beverages. Lemonade, mango shake, very tasty. Coconut water, water lemon juice also. And chilled water. Water is very important to keep us hydrated. Ice cream. There are many types of ice cream available in the market. Fruit custard. Mama makes for us fruit custard. Okay. Kids, do you know God has given us two very special gifts in the form of two very special persons. Do you know who they are? Our parents, Mama and Daddy. So today we will sing a beautiful rhymes for our parents. So let's see. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Give me a kiss when I ask you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Once again, everybody repeat after me. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Mummy and Daddy, I love you. Come to me when I call you. Give me a kiss When I ask you, give me a kiss. When I ask you, Mommy and Daddy, I love you. Mommy and Daddy, I love you. So dear children, we should love our parents and respect them ever. Thank you. Have a good day.